Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study labor law. We'll begin by establishing a strong foundation, understanding the fundamental principles that govern the workplace. Then, we'll explore how to identify and interpret the crucial legislation and regulatory frameworks. Our journey will guide you through developing a structured and efficient study method, ensuring you grasp even the most intricate legal concepts. Finally, we'll discuss applying your knowledge to practical, real-world situations, preparing you for success. To build a solid foundation, start by exploring the historical evolution of labor rights. This provides essential context. Next, delve into the various types of employment contracts, understanding their formation and implications. It's crucial to grasp the principles of collective bargaining and the significant role trade unions play in the workplace. Additionally, familiarize yourself thoroughly with anti-discrimination legislation, which protects employees from unfair treatment. This foundational knowledge is your first step. Now, let's move to the specifics. Concentrate on major statutes, such as the Fair Labor Standards Act, understanding its scope and provisions. Critically analyze landmark court cases. These decisions establish vital legal precedents. Actively practice applying these legal rules to various hypothetical scenarios to solidify your understanding. Furthermore, learn about the different enforcement mechanisms and agencies responsible for upholding labor laws. This practical application is key to mastery. For effective retention and mastery, begin by creating concise summaries and detailed outlines for every topic you cover. Regularly test your knowledge using practice questions and past exams to identify areas needing more attention. Engaging in discussions with study groups or mentors can clarify complex issues and offer new perspectives. Finally, commit to staying updated on recent legal developments and amendments. Labor law is a dynamic field. Consistent review ensures lasting understanding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.